So, Locks and Socks on Discord chat had asked me a few times to pick one of my Americans on camera, so I grabbed one off of my barn today and brought it in. I have 3 of these 1105s that are actually in use at home. These are my barn keys here. This is number 139. 139. Now, all 3 of my padlocks have different keys, but they're all also master keyed. There we go. So this one key will open up any of my locks as well. And I have yet to break any of these down. These have actually been in use. I've picked them a few times just because I could. I was out of locks at the time, but anyway, it'll be fun to get this thing picked and broken down. We'll see how it goes. I get to try my new plug followers too if I can get her done. So here we go. I'll be using top of the keyway tension here. Let me zoom in a bit. There we go. And this hook from Nick8603 on Reddit. Love this hook. It's in my EDC. So these are 5-pin locks, this one here. So I'm just going to shoot to the back and start working my way forward. Okay, 4. Click out of 3. 2. Okay, that was 1. 3. Come back here to 5. There we go. Zoom back out here. And we'll see about getting this guy apart now. Oh, geez. Let's turn it upside down here. Actually, before we... 139 again. Okay, so 5 pins. And I don't have my circlip tool with me. Let's see. There we go. Sure hope these plug followers are the right size. I might run into some problems if they're not. This is just a piece of aluminum pipe with a piece of dowel rod stuck down inside and sand nice and flat. I'm going to try this one instead. Nope. There we go. All right. So since this is master keyed, there we go, let's see. Looks like some serrated pins there, yeah? There's a little wafer. I can't get those out, man. Lubed up. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 5's wafer. All right. One. Oh. 2. Don't know if you can see 3 in there. Not wanting to pop up though. There we go. Probably should have cleaned this lock a little bit first, huh? I'm going to push it back through the other side and get 5 and then 4. Man, little buggers. There we go. Should be a wafer, yep. And then the pin. There we go. All right, so that's it in there. Just springs left. So disappointingly enough, these all look like standard pins. But still a fun lock nonetheless. Might have to throw some serrated pins in here, some spools or something. I'm kind of surprised there's none in here. I guess whoever I bought these from back when I needed a set of locks had repinned them themselves or something. But anyway, there we go, guys. Thanks and have a good one.